Watch the full video please.
What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today, as you can read by the title, I'm gonna give you the secrets, alright? The secrets on how you can get featured on Topwavers. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video, man.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it, hey.
Alright, so first things first, I want to explain to you how Topwavers work. Like, what's pushing them to choose certain contents and featuring those contents on their page. Alright, Topwavers basically needs popular content and post it on their page. Content that have high rates of going viral. When Topwavers get those contents and post them on their page, those contents blow up. Alright, because those contents, when people see those contents, they're like, wow. That's tough. Let me like that. You feel me? I react to certain contents that I see value in, that I see was gonna that I see that people are gonna like. You feel me? I react to wave content that like wows people. Great definition. Something I ain't never seen before. And Topwavers has all of that on their page. So when I'm looking to react to content, first page that I think of is, wow, let me go on Topwavers. Maybe they got some dope waivers on there. I might take that waiver and react to them and tell them what you gotta work on, stuff like that. So Topwavers, that's all they look for. Dope content that they see value in, that they see that will go viral in the future, in the near future. And they take that content, post it on their page, and they tag the person. So make sure to always keep that in mind. Topwavers always need content, and it will always need content in the future. So you always will have a chance to make sure your content is seen and be featured on Topwavers. Alright, now that you know that Topwavers needs content every single day, which gives you a chance to be featured on Topwavers, I'm gonna tell you what you need to do, what type of content you need to have, and what traits you need, you know, in order to get featured on Topwavers. Close to the end of this video, I'm gonna show you guys some pictures, examples of what type of pictures you need to get on Topwavers. Definitely number one, Topwavers love people who have clout behind them. You feel me? Sir Cruz have a lot of clout. So whenever Sir Cruz posts a wave check video or Washington style video or post a picture of his waves, Topwavers is on there. All right, take that post, the content, put it on their page. Tag Sir Cruz, boom, that junk blows up because Sir Cruz has a lot of clout. And once Topwavers post Sir Cruz or 360 Jeezy or Poppy Blasted or anyone of that category on their page, it has to blow up. You feel me? As soon as I see it on Topwavers, I'm like, yo, that's 360 Jeezy, he's spinning. Tap, tap, like. You feel me? Those are the type of content that Topwavers love, and they'll post that on their page ASAP. So definitely, if you have clout, Topwavers will post you no matter what. Now, I know a lot of you guys don't have clout yet. If you keep posting consistently, you'll definitely build your clout. But yeah, if you don't have clout, you definitely need to do these things right here in order to get a feature on Topwavers. Make sure to upload pictures of your waves, but make sure to have great quality, high definition. You can't upload a wave picture with Android. You feel me? You need an iPhone. You need either an iPhone or a freaking camera, like a high quality camera. You can't. Topwavers is not gonna choose your Android picture and post it on their page, because that's gonna make them look like they beginners, like they don't know what they're doing. You feel me? Topwavers is not gonna take an Android picture and be like, wow, this is gonna blow up, let me post this on my page. People gonna laugh at him. I'm gonna laugh at him. Like, bruh, what is you doing? You too good for this, man. You feel me? So definitely make sure your pictures are high quality. Also, make sure you have great connections, man. Make sure you have, matter of fact, not even great, make sure you have decent connections. Not 17 forks, but 7 forks will probably get you featured on Topwavers. As long as you have great quality in that picture and you have decent connections. People could actually see the waves, okay? It's not grainy or taken by Android. It's a nice picture, portrait mode, the background's blurred out, you feel me? All that. Topwavers gonna be like, wow, that's a nice picture. Let me post this on my Instagram, you feel me? Give them some clout, let me tag them, you feel me? That's how you do it. Another thing, make sure you have a little bit of shine added to your waves. You can't have no dry friggin' waves thing that Topwavers gonna take your picture and post it on their page, you feel me? Make sure your waves have at least a little bit of shine. So moisturize before you take that picture. Keep your do-rag on so your hair can be super laid. Do a plastic bag method before you take that picture. You gotta prepare for this, man. Make sure you add oil to your hair so your hair will look just a little shiny, you feel me? When Topwavers see that, they can see the reflection through your waves, they'll be like, wow, I gotta post this, you feel me? Even though it's not a 10, but I definitely gotta post this because this is dope content right here. And another thing is to definitely tag Topwavers in your pictures. You could use hashtag Topwavers, or you could just tag Topwavers on it, you feel me? Topwavers have their own hashtags, so if you just put hashtag Topwaver on your picture, Topwavers, I think they go through their hashtags maybe every day to see if they have they see some content that they like. So if you just put hashtag Topwavers under your picture and you have all the qualities that I just told you, they'll definitely go through their hashtags and just, if they see a picture, if it catches their attention, they're gonna choose you and post you on their and feature you on their page. So definitely hashtags are important in tagging Topwavers. Now, if any of these things I just told you don't work, if you do that every single day for a month and it don't work, then you gotta start paying Topwavers, man. You gotta pay them, you feel me? They just, I don't know, if you pay them, they gonna see it, man. Pay them, they're gonna take your picture, post it, and you being promoted, you feel me? They're gonna promote you, they're gonna tag you and everything. Alright, if none of those stuff work, you gotta pay up. Alright, y'all, so now we're gonna take the attention from me to my laptop. I'm gonna show you guys some pictures that would definitely make it on Topwavers and some pictures that wouldn't make on Topwavers. So come on. Alright, so right here, right? We see this first picture right here. This is not going on Topwavers. First off, my waves are nowhere to be found. You will not, even though it has great quality, the background is blurred and everything, the Topwavers, there's nothing here that will value Topwavers unless this was a Topwavers do-rag. But this is a 2/16 wavy do-rag. You guys want that, link is in my description. But if this shirt was Topwavers, they would have reposted it because I'm promoting them. If this do-rag was for Topwavers, they would have posted it. But since Topwavers is a wave page, there's no waves shown in this picture. So this picture is a definitely bad idea. Don't even think about posting this and thinking Topwavers is gonna feature you on their page. Alright? Let's go to this next picture right here. This is another picture. This right here is very complicated. I have a little bit of clout, okay? Just a little bit. There's a slight chance that Topwavers will definitely post this picture. Alright? If this was 360 Jeezy and his waves look like that, Topwavers would have posted it like that. Okay? They would have been posted it. Sir Cruz posted it without. Sir Cruz wouldn't even post this on his Instagram. Topwavers would have posted it even before Sir Cruz posted it. Alright? Because there's a lot of clout. When these big wavers post pictures like this, it's a lot of clout behind it. So when Topwavers post it, boom, it's going viral, alright? But since this is me, I don't have as much clout as Jeezy and Sir Cruz and stuff like that. So it's a slight chance that I wouldn't be posted on Topwavers. I wouldn't be featured on Topwavers with this picture. But it's also another slight chance that I would possibly get featured on Topwavers with this picture right here. Alright, next one. Boom. Heck no. Topwavers will not post this picture unless it was a haircut page. This is a wave page. It's not a haircut page. Even though the background's blurred out, decent quality. Once again, this is not a Topwavers shirt, so there's no point of them featuring me on their channel, on their page, and my waves are nowhere to be found. There's no reason for Topwavers to feature me on their page. Alright, now we're gonna go on to the pictures that have high possibilities of getting posted on Topwavers. Alright, let's start with this one. This one is a fresh cut. The waves are in there. It's very hard to see the waves because this is after the scalp, and I just, this was about 2 months after the scalp, I believe. My waves are not elite yet in this picture, but there's a slight chance that Topwavers would post this because it's a high definition picture and you could definitely see the waves. All right, Topwavers would probably post this. I think Topwavers would post this because why wouldn't they? This is nice quality and everything. All right, so yeah, definitely I think this will be posted on Topwavers, featured on Topwavers. This definitely, all right, Topwavers will definitely post this. Great connections, great shine, great definition. It's nice. All right, overall, this is definitely a picture. This is a picture that Topwavers would definitely feature on their page. All right, so take notes, guys. Pictures like this will definitely get posted. Pictures like this definitely get posted. You see the waves, great definition, great picture. Background is blurred out. Everything is sharp. Fresh haircut. Topwavers will definitely post this. This right here, fresh haircut, fresh waves, sharp waves, great connections. Background blurred out, great definition, sharp, everything is sharp. Topwavers will definitely post this on their page. All right, guys, moving on. This is gonna be the last thing I'm gonna talk about. These are what I recommend for you to upload in order to get posted on Topwavers, in order to get featured on Topwavers. All right, pay attention. What I recommend are videos. All right, videos are more popular than pictures. Videos get way more likes than pictures. They get way more views than pictures. Instagram, the algorithm promotes videos more than pictures. That's why I upload a lot of videos on my Instagram. That's why I grow so fast, because videos do a lot better than pictures. All right, I upload a couple pictures here and there, but I'm always uploading videos, because with videos you can upload IG Reels, IG Live. You can go on live on Instagram, and those get promoted a lot more. You could do IG TV. You could just do a regular IG post, but it's a lot of video platforms and within the Instagram algorithm that just has a higher chance of getting promoted than pictures. All you can do with pictures is just post it on your story and post it on your page. Only two things you can do with pictures, all right? And it's not really something that's popular that Instagram would want to, promote like that, unless you have a lot of clout. All right, like I said before. So videos will give you a better chance to getting featured on Topwavers. Make sure your videos are high definition, just like the pictures. Make sure your videos are high definition, no blurry. Don't take your videos with an Android, either iPhone or a professional camera. All right, those will help you quality. 4K videos, HD videos. Those are the only videos that will get featured on Topwavers. Watch and style videos. Do a wash and style video with great lather. Show your great lather. Topwavers will definitely post you. Make sure your lather is up there, all right? Make sure it's great. Make sure you're brushing it in. Make sure that they see that you're pulling your waves. Make sure your waves look like noodles. Those type of content Topwavers love. I love those type of content, and you will definitely get featured on my page, on Topwavers page. Unrag after a fresh cut, all right? Unrag after a fresh cut with great connections, great shine, definitely get you featured on Topwavers. Also, great quality. Don't forget the quality. Make sure you upload. You take your videos with an iPhone or with a professional camera, no Android. Or you could just do an unrag video with great lighting, like a sunset, for example. If you take a unrag video under the sunset, Topwavers, I believe, would feature you on their channel, because sunset is such a natural light. It's just like a certain time that you have to be around to take your pictures. It's not like something everyone gets to do, you feel me? Because the sunset is not the same for everybody. What I'm trying to say is it's very rare. It's just like when you buy a car and there's only 5 in the world, everyone wants that car. The sunset, not everyone is able to take that nice sunset picture, because not everyone's gonna have a sunny day like you feel me? So once you get that nice sunset picture or that nice sunset video, take it, great quality, upload it on your Instagram, tag Topwavers, hashtag Topwavers, and you will have a high probability of getting featured on Topwavers. All right, guys, that is it for this video. I hope this video was very helpful for you guys, man. It took me a while to take all these notes down and actually give you guys all this information. I hope this video really helped you guys out. I know a lot of you guys want to get featured on Topwavers, and if you do all these stuff that I just told you, you're gonna get featured. All right, I know the secret. I get featured on there, and I just know how it works. Okay, so yeah, take these notes, do what you want to do with them. Yeah, big shout out to Topwavers for the dope content that they be dropping, you feel me? Helping everybody around the world to get the clout that they need, promoting people, tagging people, everything, giving credit where credit's due. Yeah, I just enjoy what they do. I always wanted to get featured on Topwavers when I first started with Waves, and now I know how to do it. Now I'm sharing it with my subscribers, you feel me? We grew together, and I'm giving you guys the information that you need, that I wish I could get when I was younger, all right? But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you leave a like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button for your boy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.